Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check PHP version using CMD. All right. First up, you're going to want to make sure that PHP is actually installed on your computer. All right. If you don't know how to do so, open up your favorite browser and type in php.net, hit on enter. All right. In here, just go ahead and click on download. Now in here, just go ahead and select Windows if you're using Windows. All right. Now go ahead and make use of the thread save. In here, just click on the zip and continue with the download process. Now it should look like this. You should rename the folder to PHP-8 or whatever the version is, as it will look like there's something in here. Just delete those and keep it like this. All right. Once done, open up the folder where you've moved the PHP folder. All right. Double click on it. And once you're in here, just copy the directory. Copy. Now go ahead and go to environment. Right here, environment variables. Click on it. Now click on environment variables. If you want to install it on your user profile, just go ahead and do so. If you want to install it on your system, select this path right here and hit on edit. Now go ahead and click on new. Paste that directory right here. All right, and just hit on OK. I'm not going to do it again. As you can see here, I already have it. All right, I'm just going to close this one. Now to get the version, just type in CMD, open the command prompt, the basic command prompt. All right, now type in PHP space -- version. All right, then just hit on enter, and there you have it. Here's mine, PHP 8.4.5, as you can see here, and the version for x64. And the Zend engine v4.4.5. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.